Welcome back YouTube, my name is Momo. Today I'm giving you a burst face self-cut tutorials from Tbilisi, Georgia. I'm gonna start off with taking off the bulk using number 4 guard level all the way open and moving on to a trimmer to start with the initial guideline that shapes like a semi-half circle. And then moving on to no guard level all the way open, and we're going to be creating the second guideline right above the initial guideline, and you want to just follow that first guideline and keep that semicircle shape across. So take out your number 1 guard level all the way open, and you want to keep that semicircle shape and go up about an inch above that second guideline. By using number 2 guard lever all the way open, you want to connect the fade into the hair on the side.
It's my YouTube channel.
Okay, back to the tutorial. So take off all your guard. So right now no guard lever close, and we're gonna be erasing the initial guideline by using the corner of the blade, and open up the lever to erase the second guideline. And then moving on to number 1 guard lever all the way open to erase that third guideline that we've created to make it smooth look, smooth burst fade look. Right now we're having a trimmer to kind of shape up that back of my head. I like to make it pointy like this so that it gives proper burst fade look. If you like my self-cut tutorial, make sure to hit the subscribe button below, and please join my Patreon because you get to see contents that you won't see on YouTube, and it's an edited version of this video so that you get to learn in depth.
Maybe it's good.